Trackers are very important. For example, mostly for business owners. Now, like the money lending business, it's risky for you to give money against a car when you don't know where it is. A client can come and borrow money from you and they run away with the car. So it is of importance for you to put a tracker so that you know where a client is. Then we have other things we can use on the app to stop the car. For example, if someone came and borrowed 100 million and they want to go and sell the car to Congo, you can stop it at the border and actually stop the engine. So it's very important for people to use tracking services because it helps you to monitor where that car is. Remember, it is security. There is your money. So you have to follow and know where that car is. You have to know where the client is. The app can actually even monitor when someone is over speeding, when the car has an engine breakdown. So it helps you to track because a business is risky. It's hard for you to just give someone money and then you leave your collateral to go like that. And then for individuals, it is for your personal security. What if they come and break in and steal your car? A tracker will help you to monitor where that car is. So that's how it's important. So for the companies that we are tracking for, the financial companies that we are tracking for, that are giving car logbook financing, we bill them monthly. Because they don't own those trackers, they just hire them from us. So we go and install in their clients' cars. When a client finishes money, we go and remove the trackers from those cars and we bring them back to our company. Those ones pay monthly. We have a monthly quotation according to the number of cars you'll be paying for each car. We create for you a platform we create for you an account on the platform. Then we give you access to your cars. We create for you the backup because we put backup and main tracker. So we give you the logins and then you manage it yourself for those companies that we are doing tracking for. And then they pay us monthly. When the client finishes the money, for us we bill them monthly. When the client finishes the money, we uninstall the tracker. But then for individual trackers, you buy the tracker and own it yourself. Create for you a platform and you have it on your phone. So this one you buy at once and you own it for yourself. Some of the challenges is theft. People actually remove those trackers. There are people that know where we put them because it's general knowledge if you're in electronical things and mechanical. So some of them remove, but remember, it is our cost in case, because for us the companies we are working for, if they remove a tracker, it is our cost. We have to find that car because we have a contract with you. So one of the challenges is that, but now the good thing, we use magnetic and wired, so it's hard for someone to remove both trackers. Usually clients think it's one tracker and then they remove one, so that is what is saving us. But some clients actually go ahead and remove those trackers and then it's costly to us. And maybe the other challenge is we use local SIM cards in those trackers. So sometimes when someone goes to a remote area, it's hard to keep network. You have sometimes network goes off, so you can't really get the exact location, and then battery can run out. Sometimes a technician needs to go to the field and actually reboot the tracker for it to work. Yeah, those are some of the challenges that we are facing, but we are looking forward to moving on from the local SIM cards.